Currently in your area, 76 degrees with rain and windy conditions. A hurricane warning, a tornado watch, and a flood watch have been issued for your area by the National Weather Service. Your local Doppler radar. Today, windy with rain, heavy at times. Rainfall rates approaching 1 to 2 inches per hour at times. High 77. Winds northeast at 60 to 80 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 80 miles per hour. For tonight, windy with rain, heavy at times. Low 73. Winds northwest at 40 to 60 miles per hour. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 80 miles per hour early. On Saturday, windy with morning showers. High 87. Chance of rain 30%. Rainfall near a half an inch. Total storm rainfall approaching 8 inches locally. The week ahead.